if you're only doing black box VAPT or black box vulnerability assessments, you're missing out on about 90% of your vulnerabilities. All right. And that's because most of your vulnerabilities sit behind your login. So what we do in CyberChief in order to make that process really simple is we have a feature called codeless authentication. Now, there's no scripting involved. There's no recording involved. You simply enter some URL details. You enter your username and password for your test account, some XPaths or CSS ID tags here, save it. And at this point, just by doing these 4 or 5 things, CyberChief is now ready to scan behind your application login. Okay. Now, we call this everything I showed you before about running scans from your CI/CD pipelines, running scans on a schedule. It's all possible, even if you want to run these authenticator scans or gray box scans. We call them infiltration scans, right? You can do infiltration scans from any place that you like. It's really that simple. Now, you obviously have the support of our team when you need it, if you need it, but the beauty of this tool is that you're in charge.